Sorry. Smith, hi Smith. Welcome, Smith. How have you been? For me, I'm enjoying the beats. Me too, I'm enjoying the beats. Serious. I'm really enjoying the beats. I'm really enjoying the beats. My nephew, are you feeling the beats? My nephew is feeling the beats, so that's on period. Thank you. Do you know how to dance? The track belongs to Word of Ragus. Word of Ragus. So the track belongs to him. Obviously, Mina, you are feeling the beats. Wow. Thank you, Ran. Thanks for loving, feeling everything. So the track belongs to Word of Ragus. So I'm playing the track from his channel. Thank you, guys. What's up? What's up? Ajayi Tech, what's up? So you can dance, obviously. Oh, wow. Guys, do you want to see my dance step? Who wants to see my dance step? Want to see my dance step? I'm so close to this. Am I? Am I so close? How about now? Am I still close to the screen? Ajayi text. What do you want to talk? Say what is on your mind? Let's hear you. Can you do a backflip? No, I can't. I can't. I look so crazy when I close to the... Oh my god! He's doing me like I should dance, but I'm not going to dance for you guys. I'm not going to dance. I love this. I'm not going to dance, guys. I'm not going to like. Backflip Saturday. I'm playing track. What thing they play like everywhere good, everywhere check. I'm playing the track from Word of Ragus channel. So belongs to Word of Ragus, no? I can't. If I do this thing will stop. So I will check it out later. G first. For me, backflip is simple. No, it belongs. The last time I did backflip was when I was small, very small. Not now. Yeah. So you want me to do backflip? I will not break my back. I will break my leg. No. I can't do that. No. Okay, it's sounding like Shei vibe sound. Everywhere good, everywhere chichi. Okay, yeah. But Uchi, are you feeling these beats? Are you feeling it? My nephew, what happened? Did they send it to me tonight? I said I cannot do backflip. You're asking if I can do front flip. No, I can't do any. I can't do any, guys. I can't do any. It's called a funk beat. Maybe it's called funk beat. I don't know. But this track belongs to Word of Ragus, so I don't really know about whether funk or this thing. But my own is beat. Oh yeah, dance. I should dance.